Welcome back to Maybe You Known, the channel where science meets the questions you never thought to ask. Every video, we pull apart one strange truth about the universe, your body, or the world around you. Subscribe so you don't miss what's next. Your heart is about the size of your fist. It beats 70 times a minute. It pushes blood through 300,000 kilometers of vessels. That is impressive. But a blue whale has a heart that weighs 180 kilograms, the size of a small car, and it beats differently than any human heart has ever beaten. The differences will show you just how extreme life on Earth can get. Start with the basics. The blue whale is the largest animal that has ever existed, bigger than any dinosaur. Its heart alone is 2 meters long. You could crawl through its aorta. The heart muscle is so big that the average resting heart rate is only 2 beats per minute. 2. Compared to your 70. When a blue whale gets excited or dives deep, its heart can drop to 0 beats per minute for up to 30 seconds at a time. It simply pauses its own cardiovascular system. Here is the mind-bending physics. When a blue whale dives, it descends to 500 meters or deeper. Pressure at that depth is 50 times atmospheric. That is the weight equivalent of a school bus pressing on every square inch of its body. If your heart tried to pump at that pressure, it would explode. The whale's heart survives because its tissue is made of a unique collagen structure that compresses and expands like a diving bell. Here is the part no one expected. Blue whale hearts pump blood so slowly that each pulse lasts several seconds. When you hear a blue whale's heartbeat through a stethoscope, it sounds like drums in slow motion. Each contraction moves about 220 liters of blood. That is a bathtub. Every single heartbeat. And that blood flows through arteries so wide that a human could swim through them. Not metaphorically, literally swim. And the final twist. Your heart and a blue whale's heart both came from the same ancestor 300 million years ago. They are built from the same protein. They have the same 4-chamber structure. They work on the same electrical signals. A blue whale's heart is not a different machine. It is your heart, scaled up 1,000 times, adapted for crushing pressures and mile-long dives. When you put your hand on your chest and feel your heartbeat, you are feeling the same basic engine that drives a 200-ton mammal through the deep ocean. Life is a lot more similar than it looks. The blue whale's heart is the biggest on Earth, but it's not the most powerful. The strongest heart per gram belongs to a creature that fits in your palm. Subscribe to find out which. Thanks for watching. If this sparked a question, drop it in the comments. It might be our next video. We'll see you next time.